Hey guys, this is Mrs. Cutting, and today I'm going to review with you the 3 strategies that we have so far to help us find the area of weird looking shapes. So this was the do now from Monday. In this first figure, I want to decompose. I want to break this shape up into rectangles because I know how to find the area of a rectangle. So I'm going to cut it right here. I'm going to cut it right here. Now this, of course, is not the only way you could cut it, but this is just one way. So then this is 9 by 2. So this has an area of 18 square units. This one is 5 by 3. So this has an area of 15 square units. And this is 3 by 3. So it has an area of 9 square units. So then when I add those together, 18 plus 15 plus 9, I get 42 square units. And that is called decompose. This next one, I can't just decompose because I can't just make rectangles out of it, leaving it the way it is. So I do want to decompose right here. So now I have a rectangle here. I'm going to cut it again right here. So now I have another rectangle. But then I also want to cut it right here. So I have 2 triangles that are the exact same size. Because when I take 2 triangles that are the exact same size, and rearrange them, put them together, I can take this piece and move it over here. I can make a rectangle. So now I have this rectangle, which is 3 by 2, so that's an area of 6. I have this one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 4. So this is 32. And now I have this rectangle that's 4 by 2, which has an area of 8. So now I'm adding together the 32 plus 8 plus 6, and that gives me 46 square units. And this is called decompose and rearrange. So I cut my shape up, but then I also move the pieces around. So then this next one looks super crazy until you realize that it's actually made up of triangles. And I can take 2 of these triangles, put them together and make a rectangle, and then I can do that with the other 2. So I am going to take this triangle, move it over here, and put it together to make this rectangle. So now this is a rectangle that's 4 by 2, so a rectangle with an area of 8. And then I'm going to take this one and move it over here. So now this is a rectangle that's 4 by 2, so it has an area of 8 square units. So now I just have 8 plus 8 equals 16 square units. And this is also decompose and rearrange. This last one, we discovered in class that this piece fits perfectly inside of here. So I can draw a square around this and find the area of the whole square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. So the area of the whole square is 36 square units. But I don't care about the whole square, I only care about this piece. So I can subtract all this extra area that I don't care about, which happen to be those same pieces. But if we didn't already have that information, we could take 2 of those triangles, put them together, and make a rectangle again. But 2 of these together made 8, and then these 2 together made 8. So I have 16 square units that I want to subtract out. So 36 minus the 16 square units that were in orange gives me 20 square units. And this is called subtract missing pieces. Now, that last one we could have also decomposed and rearranged again, because if I cut it right here, I have this triangle, I have this triangle, I have this triangle, and I have this triangle, and then I have this square in the middle. So we also could have decomposed and rearranged, and this piece would come over here. So that makes a rectangle with 8 square units. And this piece would come over here. That makes a rectangle with 8 square units. And then 8 and 8 is 16, plus those extra 4 square units in the middle. That gives us our 20 square units. So that, again, is decompose and rearrange. All right, see you next time.